So it's a rather interesting day today. It's -9 right now. The snow quit, I'd say probably about 2 o'clock, 2:30 in the morning. So I didn't think we were going to get much more than that. But just before I come out, I got a blizzard warning. Oh, wonderful. I did see, a little while ago, I did see snow through my curtain. So I looked outside and it was snowing pretty good. I looked at the right, there's just a really small patch of snow coming off the lake. So it wasn't anything to worry about until I saw a blizzard warning. So I looked at the 14-day forecast, and I don't put a lot of stock in that, but it shows trends basically. You know, it's going to be warming up or it's going to be cooling off or whatever. And there's a lot of not so bad temperatures. It looks pretty even, like in the minus single digits. So the next 3 days, well, starting tomorrow or Sunday. This is Friday, right? Yeah, this is Friday. More snow tomorrow, and then Sunday for 3 days it's supposed to be above freezing. So I was kind of hoping that I wouldn't have to do any snow clearing today when I come out. Yeah, I got to. I don't have a choice. I'm not even going to guess how much snow we have out there. But it's bad enough that it needs to be cleared up. Because I was hoping after tomorrow, then I can just do it all at once. But we got quite a bit coming tomorrow. So, and with the blizzard warning, it's going to be intense snow. Blizzard is a certain specific visibility, like a low visibility for a certain number of hours. So it sounds like we're going to get dumped on. That's the definition of a blizzard. You know, you can only see so far for so much time. That's how they define blizzard. It's like 2 hours or 3 hours or something like that. So, but it's a mess out here right now, and I gotta clear it up. And it feels like it's kind of wet. Just walking through it, it feels like thick snow. So hopefully it sticks to the ice. I clear the snow off, and I don't bring that icy surface back, because that's dangerous, very dangerous. I guess we'll see what happens. So today I'm going to Dollarama, Value Mart, and Timmy's. That's all I have planned. I am a little bit concerned though, because I have to get the blower out, and all the flooding in here is now frozen. So my extension cord is kind of frozen into the ground here, so hopefully I'll be able to pull that out and not have an issue. But, you know, I looked at it yesterday and I didn't think it was going to be that bad, but now that I actually need to use it, I took a look at it and I'm just kind of concerned. We'll see what happens. We'll figure that out when I get back. Okay, so the neighbor, I was gonna say, was about to start up his blower. He just did, so I want to make this quick. Not too bad. Trying to clean it up. The snow's not as wet and thick as I thought it was. It's actually pretty fluffy. The blower threw it pretty far. The problem I was having was pushing on it. My feet were slipping on the ice, so that's what made it difficult. So, but because the ground is frozen, it's all bumpy now, so I couldn't scrape the ground. It left a lot of snow behind, but the bulk of it's gone. And all is good. So dollar store didn't have the kitty litter that I normally get, so I had to get a big box from Mart. I took it up to the house with the monster so I didn't have to carry it. And trying to turn around so I get back into the garage here with my thick Vita gloves on, which, like I said before, it's hard to control the monster with those gloves. I ended up backing into the garage. I looked at the fender. I didn't break the fender. That's what I was worried about. I didn't want to break that fender. But it looks okay. I broke the garage. I cracked the siding, and I got a big black rubber mark on it. Oops. But I didn't break the monster. That was pretty hard hit. And it was still under power when I hit, so my glove just wouldn't release the throttle. That's the problem with wearing those gloves. We're all cleaned up. Well, I'll have to see how it goes with the next store. I'm done for today. Thanks for watching.